பாதம் ஏழினும் கீழ் சொற்கழிவு பாதமலர் போதார் புனை முடியும் எல்லா பொருள் முடிவே பேதை ஒரு பால் திருமேனி ஒன்றல்லன் வேதம் முதல் விண்ணோரும் மண்ணும் துதித்தாலும் ஓத உலவா ஒரு தோழன் தொண்டருளன் கோதில் குலச்சரன் தன் கோயில் பிணா பிள்ளைகள் ஏதவன் ஊர் ஏதவன் பேர் ஆருற்றார் ஆரையலார் ஏதவன் ஊர் ஏதவன் பேர் ஆருற்றார் ஆரையலார் ஏதவனை பாடும் பரிசலோரெம்பாவாய் ஏதவனை பாடும் பரிசலோரெம்பாவாய். Humble pranams at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Bhagavan and Sai Ram to all of you from Sai Ganga, Tiruvannamalai. In this 10th song, the satsang group of girls move around singing songs. They met some girls in Shiva temple and asked them, the divine feet of our Lord Shiva is beyond the 7 worlds under this earth. We cannot describe his lotus feet with mere words. His plait of hair is decorated with fragrant flowers. He is the ultimate destination of all things in this world. He has given the left side of his body to goddess Shakti. He is beyond the Vedic hymns and the devoted chantings of the deities in the heaven and people on the earth. But our friend Lord Shiva resides in the heart of devotees. Oh, girls coming from flawless clan, you are doing service to our King Lord Shiva in the temple. Please tell us, what is his name? Where is his place? Who are his relatives? Who are distancing from him? Please guide us to sing his glory. This song explains that by chanting the name of Lord and singing the glory of his form, devotees come near the Lord Shiva and get into contact with the servants of the Lord. This song reminds us of the 4 steps in spiritual sadhana: Salokyam, Sarupyam, Samipyam and Sayujyam. That is, Salokyam, always in the thought of our beloved Bhagavan by singing bhajans and Nama Sankirtan. This leads to Sarupyam. We enjoy the form and leelas of our beloved Lord Sri Satya Sai. These 2 sadhanas lead to Samipyam. We get closer to Sai Avatar in his mission. And finally, Sayujyam, we immerse in eternal bliss. Thanking all of you. Jai Sai Ram.